Okay, Charlie, now exercise 1.3. Okay, and here we are going to read the questions, okay, related to alternate angles, co-interior angles, corresponding angles. As I have told you in the previous class, when the pair of line is parallel, okay, and if those pair of lines are caught by the transversal, yes, alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are also equal, but co-interior angles and co-exterior angles sum will be 180 degree. That means they are supplementary angles. Look, this is exercise 1.3 of your book, and here the questions goes like this. And here is given one figure at the side. Look here, and question is asking there, in the given figure, a transversal XY cuts two straight lines PQ and RS. Okay, at M and N. This transversal has cut this pair of line at the point M and N. Okay, and we have to list the following, okay, angles from the figure. We have to list the following angles. Look here. First one asking their exterior angles. As I had told you, when a pair of lines is caught by the transversal, they form how many exterior angles will you form there? How many?
Four.
Yes, four. Very good. Four exterior angles are formed. And those exterior angles are, look here, I have shown here, one angle is R and Y, R and Y, PMX, PMX, next is XMQ, and last one is S and Y. These are the four exterior angles. Okay, I hope that everybody, okay, are clear. Are you clear, children, about this exterior angle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I am moving to the second one. Please take part in activities, okay, class activities. Reply the answer, okay. Reply the question, answer, okay. Question, look here, reply. Interior angles. When you check here, how many interior angles are here?
Four.
Four.
Four. Yes, very good. There are four interior angles. Okay, Sophia, and look here, in these four interior angles, what are they? Look here, we have to list out. List them. PMN, angle PMN, angle S and M, angle QMN, angle RMN, angle R and R. What is there? R and M, R and M. There are these four interior angles. Are you clear, children, about these interior angles?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, Rai, Sophia, Karki, Simrika, Subeti, Sumi, Morgan. Okay, now look here. Abhiday, have you understood this second one, interior angles?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can I forward to the next slide? Can I move to next one?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Look here, I am going to show you next one. In this figure one, this is Q here, this is S here, okay? Now I am moving to the next slide, and the figure is same, but question is asking the different, look there. Pair of alternate angles. As I told you, alternate angles will be one on the right side and on the left side, and they will be formed on the different point, different vertices, okay? And look here, pair of alternate angles. One is PMN, PMN, another is S and M, S and M, and this PMX, PMX, this upper one, another is S and Y. One pair is written there what? alternate interior and there is alternate exterior. Down is also look here, QMN, QMN, and there is R and M, R and M. This is interior alternate angles, and this another one is okay exterior alternate angles. Okay, as I told you, there will be two pairs of alternate angles. One pair is alternate interior angles, and another pair is alternate exterior angles. Okay, Sarita? Sital Limbu,
Okay, sir.
Pratisha Shrestha, Sobia Karki, Sumi Manandar, Simrika Subedi. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. Okay, now I am moving to the next one. Look there. Abiral, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I am moving to the next one. Next one question asking there, pair of co-interior angles. As I explained in previous class also, there are how many pair of co-interior angles? There are two pair of co-interior angles. Isn't it, Sarita? Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. You are frequently hiding there, okay? Don't repeat that one. Now listen. Pair of co-interior angles means what will be there? Look here. One pair of co-interior angles PMN, PMN, and RNM, RNM. Another pair is QMN and SNM, SNM. Okay, these are two pair of co-interior angles. Okay, children. And now look here. I am showing you next one. Pair of corresponding angle. A pairs of corresponding angle. There will be how many pairs of corresponding angle? Four pairs of corresponding angles. Right? One will be outside, another will be inside, as I told you, and they will be formed on the different vertices, and one will be on the exterior and will be interior. And pair of this one corresponding angles are like this. Okay? PMN, PMN. Another one is R and Y, R and Y, PMX, PMX, this is exterior. Another one is R and X. Okay, children. And after that, look here. Next one pair is QMN, angle QMN, and this angle S and Y, S and Y. One is interior and the other is exterior. Okay, angle XMQ and the angle MNS. M and what is there? M and S. This is interior. XMQ. This is exterior. One is exterior and this is interior. Okay, on the same side of the transversal. Okay, Sarita. Like this we find. Like this we find the corresponding angles. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am moving to the next slide. Okay, here in this, okay, we are going to, this is the question number 2. Okay, children? In this question number 2 of book, it is asking to find out the value of unknown angle. Okay, I am going to ask, please to reply. Okay, in difficulty, don't worry. Okay, I will explain. I will explain. Okay, okay, Abhidhar. Okay, I am asking to Simran Bharati. Okay, Simran Nano, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what is the value of x?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of x in this figure?
Value of x is 62 degree.
Yes. Can you tell me the reason?
Because they are co-interior.
They are corresponding angles, Nano. They are corresponding angle. That's why they are equal. Okay.
Corresponding angle.
One is outside and the inside on the same side of the
Okay, sir.
transversal. Yes, you are right. x equals to 62 degree, but region must be there being corresponding angles. Okay, Rano?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now look here. I'm showing its solution. Please, if needed, you can note. Okay, okay, you can take the screenshot also. Okay. Here, answer we have to write is x degree equals 62 degree being corresponding angle. Its solution over. Its solution is this much only. Okay, children? Okay, Simrika? Simrika, have you understood? Ishika, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Kelvin?
Yes, sir.
Good. How the value of x becomes 62 degree? We have to mention the region also at the side, okay? Mention the region at the side. Now I am moving to the next one. Should I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Look here. Now look here. Next type of question, this one. I am asking to Sarita Gurung, how to find out the value of
Yes,
x.
sir.
Do you know what is the relation between these two angles, these given two angles?
Co-interior angles.
Then how to solve? They are co-interior angle, you are right. And co-interior angle sum will be when
180 degree.
good, very good, Sarita, very good. When we add these two angles sum will be 180 degree. Are you clear, children? We have to solve like this. Look here. I am going to show here x plus 100 degree equals to 180 degree and write the region at the side being co-interior angles. Okay, children? Now, value of x will come here 80 degree.
80.
80 degree will be the value of x. Are you clear, children?
Yes.
Sir.
Okay, should I forward to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can note down also, okay? You can prepare the copy of compulsory mathematics. This is the geometry
Okay,
part,
sir.
okay? This is geometry part. Okay, now I am showing you the next slide. I am showing you the next slide. Please look there. What type of angles are these? Anyone can tell?
Sir, alternative angle.
Very good. Alternate angles. Alternate angles. And you know that alternate angles will be equal if the pair of lines are parallel. If the pair of lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. Okay. Then what will be the value of x? What will be the value of x? Do you
Sir,
know,
your
children?
voice is not coming.
What will be the value of x, please?
Sir, I didn't hear.
What is the value of x in this figure? Simrika, can you tell Anu?
Sir, 55 degree.
55
Yes,
degree.
very good, very good, very good. 55 degree.
Yes, sir.
Because they are alternate angles. And alternate angles will be equal. As I told you, alternate angles will be equal when this pair of lines are parallel. I have already told you, this arrow given me, these two lines are parallel, okay? When there is given arrow, that means these two lines are parallel. And this alternate angles will be equal. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now listen to me. I am going to show you the next solution. That is this question. Look here, I am showing the question there. The pair of lines is given there parallel. And here, what we have to do, look here. In this one, Is there any relationship between this 64 and x? No, there is no relation, but we can bring them in one relation, okay? One pair of angles we can make them, because this angle and this angle is vertical opposite angle. Look here, I am going to show this. Let a equals to 64. That you have to suppose a. Where you have to suppose a? This angle, look, vertically opposite angle one, okay? This angle suppose a. This is 64, then this will be also 64. Let a equals to 64. Why a equals to 64? Do you know? Because they are vertically opposite angles. I am supposing which one is a. Look in this figure. In this figure, you can see clearly. This angle I have supposed a. Why this a becomes 60 degree, 64 degree? Do you know? Can you tell? Simrika, can you tell? Simran, can you tell?
Vertically opposite angle.
Very good,
Sir,
very good, very
vertically.
good, very good. Vertical opposite angle, very good. A equals to 64 degree.
Thank you, sir.
A equals to 64 degree being vertical opposite angle. Then now we have brought them. This A and X, they are now in pair of angles, okay? There is the relationship between this A and X now. When you add A and X, they are co-interior angle now. We can find out the value of X now. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Why-
sir.
Why this A equals to 64 degree? We can mention at the side a reason also, being vertically opposite angles also you can write. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, should I proceed to the next slide?
Yes.
Okay, now look here. I am going to show you the next slide. Abhigya, Aviral, Isika, Niruta, Kelvin, Pratisha, Hewan. I have not seen you that you are doing the my classwork one, okay? I have not seen from here. Ashraya, Riddhima, Aditi, Aviral. I hope you are doing there.
Yes, sir.
But please make your activities visible from here, okay? Keep the video on. Should I show you the next slide? Sital? Should I show the next slide? Sophia?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to show you the next question. The next question is like this. Look here. How to find out the value of x here? Do you know what is the relationship between this angle, x and 45 degree? What type of angles are they? Can you tell? What type of angles are they? Sarita, can you tell?
Sir, co-exterior angle.
No. Any other? Any other? Any other student? What type of angles are they? Any other student, please? Tell me the answer of this one. What is the relation of x degree and 45 degree? If you know, please tell the answer.
Sir, corresponding angle.
No, they are not corresponding angle.
Alternative.
They
Alternative angle.
Alternative.
alternate. Don't tell alternative. Okay, they are alternate. They are alternate. They are alternate exterior angle. They are alternate exterior angle. Are you listening my sound, children?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, they are alternate exterior angles. Okay, They are equal, being alternate exterior angle. Its answer is this much only. Are you clear, children? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good, very good. Sujin, are you clear about it? Sujin Babu, please. Are you clear? Speak. Sujin, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, now I am going to show you next one. Should I go to next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next slide goes like this. Look here. Do you know what is the relationship of these two angles, x and 145? Anyone can you tell? Sadiq Shah, can you tell? What is the relationship of this x and 145 degree? What type of angles are these two angles? One, tell. One 145 and x. What type of angles are they? Anyone? Anyone? Those who know, they can tell the relationship of these two angles. Those who know, what type of angles are they? Simrika,
Sir, alternate.
your try is okay, but that's not correct.
Sir,
Okay?
co-exterior angle.
Very good, very good. They are the co-exterior angle. Very good. They are the co-exterior angle. Both are outside. Both are outside, and they are located on the same side of the transversal. These two angles are co-exterior angles. They are co-exterior angles. Okay, children? And their sum will be 180 degree. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then we have to find out like this. Write the region also at the side, and you will get the value of x 35 degree. Are you clear, children, about this two number BI? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Very good, very good. Now I'm going to show you next slide. You are clear about it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here, the answer is already shown here. I want to tell you one thing. Okay, look here. I want to make you clear about it first. There is given this line. We have to check. Listen to me. Everybody listen to me carefully first. If question is asking that this given pair of lines are parallel or not, the given pair of lines will be parallel, as I told you before also, when corresponding angles are equal. Okay, then pair of line will be parallel. Okay, when alternate angles are equal, then also parallel, the given pair of lines will be parallel. And if co-exterior angle or co-interior angle sum, if the sum of the co-interior and co-exterior angle is 180, then the given pair of lines will be parallel. Look here, I have already shown the answer. Okay, look, this AB line and CD line are parallel or not? They are parallel. Why they are parallel? Do you know? Why they are parallel? Because corresponding angles are given equal. Corresponding angles are given equal.
Equal.
If corresponding angles are given equal, then this pair of line will be parallel. Are you clear, children, about this question?
Yes, sir.
Remember that when alternate angles are equal, when corresponding angles are equal, when co-exterior and co-interior angle sum is 180, then only the given pair of line will be parallel. Are you clear children now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simrika, Sophia, Abhigya, I hope you are clear about this question. Now I am going to show you the key number 2. Okay, children? Tell.
Okay, sir.
Now can you tell me, these pair of lines are parallel or not? Tell. These, these two lines AB and CD are parallel or not? Please take part actively in the class activities. Don't hide yourself. Keep the video on. Keep the video on and tell the answer. Are these given pair of lines parallel?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. These two
Yes,
lines are
sir.
parallel. Why they are parallel? Can you tell, Abhigya?
They are close.
Sir, because the sum of co-interior angle is 180.
Very good, very good. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Because sum of the co-interior angle is 180 degree. We have tried answer like this. Can you read, Ishika, what is written there? Can you read the reason? Ishika, can you read the reason?
Yes, sir.
Read it,
The
please.
line AB and CD are parallel in the given figure because the sum of co-interior angle is given equal to 180 degree.
Very good, very good. Thank you very much. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I proceed to the next slide?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now next one is like this. Look here. Can you tell? Are they parallel? Are they parallel or not? These two lines are parallel or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is no relationship of these two angles, but we have to bring them in relation. Okay, like this. Look here. We have to bring in relation like this. Look here. What I want to tell you here. See. Here. When you bring this 110 degree this side will be this 110, right? Vertical of this angle. This side will be vertical of this angle or not?
Yes, sir.
Are you looking my
Yes,
arrow?
sir.
Are you looking my pointer?
Yes, sir.
This is 110 vertical of the angle. This 110 and this 70. What type of angles they will be now? Co-interior. First of all, this vertical of the angle. Now, after that, it will be co-interior angles. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Should I proceed to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now it goes like this. Look here. Now, can you tell me what type of angles are they? And they are equal or not? They are equal, right? They are alternate exterior angles. They are alternate exterior angles, and alternate exterior angles are equal here. If alternate exterior angles are equal, then this given pair of lines AB and CD are parallel. They are parallel to each other. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Then we have to write the reason like this. Sujin, have you understood? Hello, Sujin. Can you tell the answer? Read the answer. You are muted. You are muted. Bob. You are muted.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to tell the answer. Okay. Now I am going to show you next one. These what
Sir,
co-exterior angle and co-exterior angle sum is not 180. That's why they are not parallel.
parallel.
They are not equal. Their sum is not 180. That's why they are not parallel. Okay. Co-exterior angle sum is not 180. Okay, children. And here,
Okay, sir.
look, this is vertical of this angle. After vertical of this angle, we have to find out their sum. The sum is 180. That's why,
180.
yeah, that's why they are parallel. Okay, children.
Parallel. Okay, sir.
And now look at next one.
Sir, do we have to read it?
No, our class is over. Thank you very much. And today this much only. Stay safe, healthy.